Well, we're back at it. It's actually Sunday afternoon. Went to church. Had a great cookout at Pathway Church Valley, and it was a great time. Now back to harvesting. I know yesterday you saw Carter with me riding around. Then you saw lunch, and then my phone died. And then I didn't have my charger in my phone. I was so unprepared. So that was the end of the videos for yesterday. But we finished another 80 acres. Just started. This is a 116 acre field of dry land. So we've got 116 acres here. We got 28 acres of circle corners across the road. And then we've got 125 acres of irrigated. So if we don't break down, probably we'll be done cutting about Wednesday. We've probably got 2-3 days left. It would be a strong 2 days. It's probably more like 2.5 days, and we're gonna have to, we're trying to plant. We're gonna be trying to spray tomorrow. We're gonna be trying to irrigate. We got lots of stuff going on, so it's not just harvesting. You can tell this weed is not very good. It's making, if you can see right there, about 20 bushels an acre. That's about what this dry land field's gonna do. But it doesn't have a lot of weeds in it. So that's really nice. I'm gonna have a semi-load here fairly shortly. I've already dumped one time on the truck. So we're just chilling. And here's the thing, it's just Sunday afternoon, nice air-conditioned combine cab, everything's working, and so it's boots off. It is boots off, barefoot. Don't worry, nobody's in here to smell my feet, but some people have asked me, what is this? Well, this is a yield mapping screen. So it's just an iPad. It hooks wirelessly to the combine, and it's mapping what the yield is, which you like to see a lot of green on the yield map, and all you see is yellow. As you can see, Ethan's brought the tractor over here. He's off to Pathway Church Goddard for student for Ignite tonight, and they're going to have a good time. So he brought the tractor on over. We'll fill that up with seed tomorrow, and we will just keep planting soybeans. Well, it's a new day. We're soybeaning this morning, then gonna spray, then gonna cut wheat. So it's full on, and we're gonna get after it. You hear the irrigation motor getting an early start. The sun just came up about 30 minutes ago, and Ethan and I are after it today. Well, we're still a cut. We've probably got about a day and a half left, maybe. Honestly, the dry land wheat was so poor, we cut it faster than we've ever cut it before. So we only started Thursday. I guess today is Tuesday. We're cutting on the irrigated today. If we put a real long day in, we might get that done. And it would be the shortest harvest probably we've ever had, just because the wheat wasn't any good. But this irrigated is really good. I'll show you how good it is. you know, it says this field's making over 70. So some people's irrigated wheat makes more than this, but you'll watch it climb. So that's not what it is. You'll watch it drop. That's the yield monitor, bushels per acre. It tends to settle in around mid-70s, something like that, up to 80. So it's pretty good wheat. This is what good wheat looks like. This is what we hope it all would look like all the time. And this is what it looks like coming in the bin, pouring in the bin. But so my dad's running the grain cart today, so you get to watch us unload on the go some. I think little Carter's gonna come back out and cut with us. So it's gonna be a fun day. Unloading. Got a couple semis cut already, and it's nice when you have the auger wagon, the grain cart out here. You can call that an auger wagon or a grain cart. Just depends how you grew up. But the great thing about it is you never have to stop. So you never have to turn the combine off. You never have to stop to unload. He just comes up underneath you. You empty, and he takes it to the truck. And that grain cart can hold 2 binfuls of this combine. And we haven't been getting it clear fully, but it's working great. This is what real wheat's supposed to look like. It's pretty fun to cut. What's up, dude? Nothing? What are you doing today?
I don't know.
Did you know you needed to get out here? Because we might be done cutting after today?
Well, I didn't know that we were going to be done after this, but
this is all we got left.
I didn't know you guys were doing this, but Mom called Ellie and said that Grandma's coming to pick me and Maggie up. Because first of all, I'm going to be out here. The Maggie wouldn't think it would be fair if I just went out here.
Oh.
So she had to come. So she's up at
she's playing with Bree.
Yeah. And so yeah.
Got Ethan planting over there. Through the dust. Planting, we're just lots of action in the field. I haven't plugged the header again.
Where did you plug it?
Remember when you were with me when we plugged it?
Yeah.
I haven't plugged it since then. So here's what I think is it was your fault.
No, I think it was you.
I think it was your fault.
Yeah, it was you.
Well, I didn't plug it when you weren't in here. I plugged it when you were here, so whose fault does that mean it is?
Well, it's yours. Because we were both watching the train track. I thought I was watching the train track and you were watching the train
We're back to the... We're ready for him. We're ready. What do you think of riding? Do you want to ride the auger wagon too?
Yeah.
You do? it goes. Full on.
Who do you, so, for Vacation Bible School, we're doing this thing, like, we have these big bottles, and there's a competition who can bring more money.
Oh,
Boys
are
or
you
girls?
doing them
Who
free
do you
and praise?
Who do you think is gonna win, boys or girls?
The girls normally win.
I know, we're winning this time. That's why I need more money than
Is-
Maggie.
Is VBS in the mornings?
No, it's in the afternoon.
Oh, yeah, you're doing it at night, aren't you?
Yeah,
So do you have to leave here and go do that later?
yeah. You missed.
I didn't miss.
Yeah,
I
you missed.
didn't see nothing.
You missed the whole strip.
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
What?
Ethan's got a plugged tube or something, so he stopped. Here's Ethan. We got all of the equipment in the one field. Auger wagon, planter, semi, the sprayer's sitting over there, and then Carter and I are in the combine, aren't we?
Uh-huh.
Do you like the new combine?
Yeah.
Man, I do too. The controls, this joystick is amazing. It has all the buttons all on the joystick. You just can about fall asleep. Well, we're moving right along, almost getting done. Probably got another 20 acres, something like that. But I got a problem. Small problem. Problem is that blanking, that flashing warning light means I'm low on DEF fluid. I thought I'd have enough today. I have no idea, since this combine's new, how long it can run like that. So I'm sending Kaylee to get me some DEF fluid to finish out. She seemed real excited. She's gonna bring it out here on the Ranger, but this wheat has been really good. I would say this field's making over 70. I'm in some wheat right now that's making way more than 70. So it's really fun cutting good wheat. I wish all of it didn't need to be this good. But if it was somewhat like half of this, that would have even been good. But normally we have, wheat, a good wheat crop for us. I always think 55 or 60 bushels is pretty good. Probably 50, 55 bushel wheat is getting to be pretty average for us. That's kind of what you think you can get every year. And then this year happened, and you were reminded there is no guarantee. And we didn't get that every year. Like, I think our dry land probably averaged around 20. And as I said, we planted after soybeans, so we didn't have a lot of moisture stored up. Some of our neighbors had some better wheat. Some of our neighbors destroyed their wheat and they didn't even cut it, so it was worse than ours. It just, however it works out. So it's pretty awesome when you see 80, 70, 80, 90 bushel wheat. Gonna unload. Ben says it's 100% full. You could go a little further, but further or farther? I'm never sure. I think it's further. I don't know. But I could go a little bit more, but we're gonna unload. My sister is out here with her kids from Houston. They're here visiting in the summer. They're riding with Grandpa. They were in here a little bit ago. So it's just been a family. It's been a great big family affair today. We've had lots of family out riding. My Uncle Bob rode, and that's the fun of harvest. Everybody, especially on the last day, in the good wheat, everybody wants to get. And here comes Dad in the tractor, and they've got a tractor full of people. There are 4 people in that tractor. And then you can even see Ethan over in the distance planting soybeans. So are in full effect. Have my uncle Randy Foster. He is running the truck for us today since the wheat's good. So we're out here. There's 4 of us out here just plugging away. There's Kaylee with the diesel exhaust fluid. All right, we got her full. Crisis averted. There goes the fuel wagon. Crisis averted. It kind of shows how old our equipment is. But this is the only machine we have that takes DEF. Our newest tractor, it was the last year before it didn't take DEF. We will never get rid of that tractor. All right, back to cutting. Well, this is about gonna wrap up wheat harvest. Got about 2 swaths left, and yeah, about 585 acres of wheat cut, and we still got quite a bit of planting to do and a lot of spraying to do. I've got the rest of the week off. God does always provide, so even though the wheat harvest was poor, He always provides, and He gives us what we need. So we're very grateful for what we have, and hopefully the corn and the soybeans get a little more rain than the wheat does. But you know, our farm's been around for a long time now. Ethan will be the 5th generation, and God's taking care of us through good crops, through poor crops. So that's just how farming is. So I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of wheat harvest in these last couple videos, and we'll keep them coming, moving into, you know, we'll be doing some planting and spraying, and lots of irrigating this summer. And when it gets real hot, there's always irrigation mishaps, and we'll take you with us when we have those. I hope we don't have a lot, but we always have quite a few. So I hope you all have a good day, and hope your week's been as good as mine running this machine, and you've had as much joy as I've had. It's been a blast, and hope you like, share, and subscribe. It's been great to share these videos with people and talk to them about them. My kids say some people think they're stupid, and I always say, hey, I don't really care. I've never cared about that. So as long as it's fun, we'll keep doing it. As long as people enjoy them, we'll keep making them. Not trying to be a big YouTuber, just trying to share a little bit of life and have great conversation with people and share what the farm's all about. That's it. So hope you have a good one. We'll catch you later. Last wheat of the year for us. Got to turn, get it clean a little bit up. There's Ethan. He has switched. He ran out of soybeans. He has switched. And that is it.